All right, so if you've been using WhatsApp lately, you've probably noticed things feel a little different. Maybe something changed, maybe something looks newer, or maybe you're just not sure. What's actually been updated? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what's new in WhatsApp as of May 2026, and more importantly, what actually matters for you as a user. Because let's be honest, not every update is a big deal, but some of them can completely change how you use the app. All right, let's get into it. One of the first things people have been noticing is improvements in chat organization. WhatsApp is making it easier to manage conversations, especially if you have a lot of chats. Now you have more control over how your messages are sorted and prioritized, which means less scrolling and less time trying to find important conversations. Another update is better privacy controls. And honestly, this is something a lot of users have been asking for. You can now fine-tune who can see certain details, like your profile, info last, scene and activity. It's more flexible and gives you more control over your visibility. There are also improvements in voice messaging. Sending voice notes feels smoother and playback is more reliable. In some cases, you can even control playback more easily, while multitasking, which makes a big difference if you use voice messages often. Now let's talk about media sharing. This is another area that keeps getting better. Sending photos and videos is faster, and in some cases, quality is improved, which means less compression, better looking media when you send or receive files. Another interesting update is how groups are handled. If you're in group chats, you'll notice more control options. Things like managing participants, handling notifications, and keeping conversations. Organized group chats can get messy very quickly, so these changes actually help a lot. Now, something subtle but important is performance. The app feels faster, more stable, and more responsive overall. You might not notice it immediately, but over time, it makes the experience smoother. And that's something every user benefits from. There are also small interface updates, nothing too dramatic, but enough to make the app feel cleaner and more modern. Sometimes it's small design changes, sometimes it's how buttons are placed, but it all adds up to a better experience. Now, here's the thing. Not every feature will be available for everyone at the same time. Some updates roll out gradually, so if you don't see something yet, it doesn't mean it's not there. It might. Just take a little time to reach your device. So make sure you keep your app updated through official stores like the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now, let's be real for a second. Are these updates game-changing? Some of them. Yes, especially when it comes to privacy and organization. Others are more about refinement and improving what's already there. But overall, they make WhatsApp easier to use, more flexible, and more reliable. And that's really what most people want. So to sum it up, WhatsApp in May 2026 isn't a completely different app, but it's definitely a better version of what you're already using. More control, better performance, and a smoother experience overall. And once you start noticing these changes, you'll probably appreciate them a lot more. That's what changed in WhatsApp in May 2026.